What's up, everybody? It's Adam here at Apache Village, and I have a brand new 2027 Jayco J-Feather 21MML. Jayco made some enhancements on their 27s, and we're going to get into those and show you what we did. And then, yeah, without further ado, let's rock and roll. All right, on the front end of our 21MML, we still have the full fiberglass front end that's up there, but we put the blue LED light that's inside there right above our diamond shield that's on there. Your 21MML is gonna be 25 foot 5 inches long, overall length, and it's come weighing in right at 5,200 pounds on how we have it optioned out. We got our battery disconnect inside of our storage compartment here. Then we went to the Nuvo H2O1 filter system. We have the big 3 filter system capability if we ever wanted to go that route, but on a smaller unit like this, we can get away with just doing the one. But then also in our big North Points Pinnacles, we have that as well. So it's nice that we're bringing it down into our smaller stuff. And then also inside here, this little guy here is going to be prepped for us if we ever decided that we wanted to put an inverter in. So if I wanted to, I can pull that outlet down. My green and white wires are there. All I have to do is put the inverter in, and it's already pre-wired and set, ready to go for us. So it's really nice and convenient for us. They have the light that's in the storage compartment as well. So when we go through and are hooking up or getting ready at night, you know, I have that light that's there. Nothing on the exterior. We changed our exterior graphics. So we went to a little more modern look on these guys. These are, you know, all white, grays, and blacks. And then it changed the J-Feather sticker back here on the back of it as well. Same 60,000 BTU tankless water heater. We did change and we went back to our standard crank down jacks that are here. So nothing fancy about them. We used to use the rock solids, but when we go through and start making enhancements and different changes, you know, we'll go through and you can see where Jayco cuts the cost, which is really convenient for us because it's like, you know, hey, I took out a few $100 here, added these back so I could add the class 3 hitch on the back as a standard feature. So that's one of the nice things. And then you can see all the spray foam that's around the discharge pipe. It's a fully heated and enclosed underbelly with all of the piping that's going to be around there. That's going to be so therefore no critters can get inside there. And then we have our pipe here holder for our dump hose. And then we still use the Darko frame that's underneath these guys to keep these guys nice and lightweight. And then still all the aluminum black wheels on the outside as well. Ladder on the back of it, prepped for a camera, black tank flush, outside shower, and again, the class 3 hitch that's down here on the bottom, that's coming standard for us. So it's nice because I can go through and have that and put a cargo rack back there, put a bike rack back there, you know, gives you a little bit of versatility that's there. Then you got the full length awning that's all the way in the back of it, back here. Runs all the way to the front, covers our main entry door. One thing we also did do on the outside, we added a backer for a TV. So if you wanted to ever put a TV back hookup out here, you can, because we have the 110 cable hookup that's there. Your freshwater tank fills there. That's going to be 55 gallons. And then we have our 35,000 BTU Suburban water heater. And then we have the solid MORryde steps that are there. So again, they did a few changes on them. If you get into the Premier package on a 21MML, what they'll do is they'll actually add the full molded cap, like the cap down here with the black on the front of it. They changed that in 27 for the Premier package. It's going to be in our non-barreled ceilings because our 23 RB on up is going to actually have barreled ceilings. Then it's going to come standard with the molded cap, and then also standard with the BAL 5.1 system. But if you get the Premier package on a 21MML, you get that full cap, you get the 5.1 BAL jacks that are inside there as well. So, but yeah, that's going to be really a bit about the outside. We have a switch here for the step light. And then you also have a switch for that front LED light that's up there as well. So to turn those on and off, you have that guy right there. But yeah, with that being said, on the outside, again, let's get a quick little look of the outside of this guy. Let's walk into the inside. So for 2027, we changed our flooring. We went to a new bow floor Colombian oak. And then we went to a new dinette fabric cushion where we were using this gray that was on here, and then now we added this guy to the backs of those there. So it's a little bit nicer to give it a little, breaks up the interior color just a little bit that's there. We added a vent in the living room on all of our J feathers. Then I'll get into a couple style boards that we added into it and everything, and a couple things we did in the bathroom. But 21MML, we all know it's great because now, well, here, let's scoot back. We have the dinette booth for seating. We have the theater seats for sitting. And then we also have the couch that's there as well. And then underneath the couch, you can see that we have the black table and then our 2 drawers that are down there as well. But then with the 21MML, the couch has the cup holder in between that. And then when we take this guy, fold that down. I'm doing this all with one hand here. Unlock this guy. Then our mattress folds down and we got our queen size bed that's there. So again, same hanging closets on either side. We still have the same drawers that are on either side. Those countertops slide open for us. We have the wireless chargers with the USB ports that are on there as well. So nothing's changed there. Just some interior colors have changed a little bit. Looking a little bit sleeker for us that's there. On our cabinet ends here, we did a new decorative style board that's there. Then we did it also in the kitchen underneath here. So that's new there. And then what they also changed new is the freezer. So the freezer's back on the top, but it's a much bigger freezer. So it's nice because we still have the 12-volt fridge, and then you got your refrigerator that's down here. And this is the 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator freezer. So we got a little bit bigger of a freezer that's there. So it's nice because, you know, we can never have too much space that's there. Then you're going to go through and have your kitchen. You know, nothing's changed as far as floor plan goes here on this guy. You have your microwaves, cabinets above it, stove, oven, big cabinet there, and then big drawer down below it there. And then we went to a new single bowl sink. So it's the big stainless steel sink that's there. Then I believe we changed, yeah, so the color of our cabinets, instead of them being white, they call it Cali sand, which it's going to be a, it's not a full tan, because that's what your tan, you can see the difference in between the two here, where you have a tan fascias on your slide outs, and then you have, it's white, it's, I don't know, I'm not a colors person. It's, you know, almost like a bone color, but they call it Cali sand because it does have a tan look to it that's there. And then they went to new shaker style hinged cabinet doors. So you have these new style hinges that are on all your cabinet doors that are there. So, but yeah, and then gray pull handles on all of your cabinets and your drawers that are there as well. Walking in the bathroom, we still have the full plastic tub surround that's inside here. We still have the curtain that's going to slide across and give us the privacy for our shower. We got our double medicine cabinet. Hi, me. Then you're going to have your cabinet door below down there. And then this inside your bathroom as well. This is another place that they went to and put new decorative boards. So they got the boards that are there, making it, give it that look there. And then you got your little black hooks that are for your towels, robes, what have you. They also changed, they put the thermostat for your tankless water heater in the bathroom, where before on our 21MML it was actually out in the kitchen area, so we had to come out of the bathroom if we needed to change the temperature, so they put it back inside the bathroom. Then we have our solar panel controller here. Then you have your thermostat for your air conditioner and your furnace there, and then we have our big pantry that's here on this guy, and then all your auto detect still for your lead acid or lithium battery. So if you ever decide to get a lithium battery, you can take it and just hook it up. You don't have to worry about anything that's there of it not changing over. And then on the bottom of your dinette boost, we do have the cabinet doors, which give us access to the front of it. And then also you can still access it from the top of it as well. So it's nice because they did a couple, you know, nice subtle changes inside the camper. Storage up top there. They put a mirror that's there on the wall. Then you have your AM/FM radio that's back behind your cabinet that's there. So that's the new enhancements that Jayco made on the 21MML. when we get more of the new 27s in our other floor plans, I'll go into those because again, they changed quite a bit on the 23 footers on up, because they went to, instead of it being a flat ceiling here, they actually went to a arch ceiling. So it gives you a little bit more, you know, they call it the barrel ceiling, but it gives you a little bit more bigger feel inside the camper. If you have any questions or comments, throw them down into our comments, hit the like, hit the share button, and come in and say why we say go one better, go Apache Village. Until next time, guys, we'll see you soon.